Let's talk with Bill in Arlington, Texas. Hello, Bill. Happy to have you
How you
with
doing?
us.
Oh, thank you. Thanks for calling, or me calling, whoever called.
It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. So, what's on your mind?
Well, just tell you I like your show, and I really like the emails. My Lord, there's so much information in there. I save them for a while. It takes a long time to go through them and then apply, your little tips and hints and stuff I never even thought of. I think my favorite one was there was something about the microphone thing on the apps.
Oh, how to turn off the microphone access.
Yeah, never knew that was going on. So.
That's good. I'm glad. That's what I do. I put that stuff in there. I'm thinking like, nobody tells you these things. You just don't.
Right. And then I swear sometimes when they update the iOS, some of those things turn back on.
Yeah, I'm sure they do.
You're not crazy.
You're not. So how can I help you today?
Well, I had, sent you a question about, I keep getting these emails from Uber and Lyft about putting a selfie on your account. And I'm kind of, just some of the stuff I've read on your site there, I'm just hesitant to do that. I don't know I was wondering what your thoughts were on how safe that is.
Well, the whole idea is so that this way when the driver shows up, it's like, oh, that's what Bill looks like. He's 6'3". He's 170 pounds, and it looks like he goes to the gym every day, and he's buff. And wow, look at that Rolex on his wrist. This guy's loaded. Did I just describe you to a T?
No.
Oh.
It's radio. You could have lied, Bill.
Yes, you could have said yes. That's it. I don't see any problem with that.
That's in my wildest dreams.
Oh, okay. I don't see any problem with that.
Now, Kim, do you have your photo on your
Yes,
Uber app?
I do.
Because I just checked mine. I don't. I don't have a picture of myself on there.
But my picture's all over the web.
That's true.
I mean, I think it's just for your own safety, and at least the driver knows what you look like. I certainly check the driver. But if you don't want to put one there because you're concerned about, where that picture is going to end up, which it was probably, just put in the newsletter. There's a website where you can upload a picture of yourself, of course, and then it's going to find out if AI trained using your picture.
Yeah, but once you upload it, then AI is going to train on that picture.
Yes. Guess I'm in there like 8,000 times.
How about we have a new website? Give us your credit card number. We'll tell you if it's been used to be stolen. About 10 minutes after you give it to us, it's going to be used and be stolen.
You know what? You probably just gave some hackers some idea.
You're probably right.
Gosh.
Can we dump that?
I don't see an issue with that.
What do you think my Uber rating is?
5 out of 5.
4.97.
I'm a 5 out of 5.
You're 5.0. Mm-hmm. You must be a heavy tipper.
I sure am.